Today is February 25th, 2021, and my people, it's about that time.
Like a boss.
Live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. Today, we are looking at the market, doing a live price analysis on a crypto that I think has a major move to the upside, which can make you a lot of money in the near and dear future. So you got that to look forward to. If this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK, also known as a crypto trader, and I'm the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I grace this microphone with my voice is another day you can profit as a result, and today is no exception. So let's do this right now. Let's get somebody paid. Whenever I do one of these videos, I give you a chance to win free Bitcoin, BTC. That's right. All you got to do is join the #1 Bitcoin group in the world, #1Bitcoin, and share the last post for the video that I do every day. So this was last video right here, and we're going to pick a winner to win some free BTC. It looked like we had 11 shares on this. 1 + 1 is 2. So we'll go 2 from the top. 1, 2. Bam! Miss Mona Lisa. How you doing, girl? From Clinton, Maryland. You know what I'm saying? You just won some free BTC, couple dollars Bitcoin. Compliments of the boy BK. So let's do this, Miss Mona Lisa. Send me your Bitcoin wallet. You can just message on Facebook and I will get you paid as a token of my appreciation. This is what I've been doing, you know what I'm saying, since 2014, 2015, coming on, teaching people about Bitcoin, giving away some Bitcoin and helping people all over the world realize value in the greatest transformation of wealth in the history of humanity. It's a very, very, very beautiful thing that's happening right now. We have the end of one global currency, US dollar, and the beginning of another, which might not be Bitcoin, but you best believe it will be on some version of the blockchain, which in essence gives Bitcoin value. Hence the price tag on the top left-hand side, $49,000. What? You know what I'm saying? And people talking about, oh, it's not 50 grand no more. It's not 56. It's not 55. Shit. You know what I'm saying? I remember when Bitcoin was $1,200. And that was expensive. I held off buying it. I said, shoot, man. I'm like, you think it's going to come back down to 800? Can I get some of that $800 Bitcoin? Y'all got any more of that $800 Bitcoin? Now it's at damn near half $100,000. Crazy, right? And there's major moves happening behind the scenes. It's major, the whole elevation of the crypto trading, wealth accumulation community has changed inside the past 90 days. This was a major part of it right here. Binance actually closed off, a lot of accounts. This said Binance gives U.S. users 14 days to leave exchange. Keep in mind, the United States, I don't care what chart you look at, is usually one of the top 3 countries in the world for blockchain transactions, right? Especially when it comes to trading. I don't think they utilize the tokens as much, but they are using it for wealth generation purposes and speculative investments. Nonetheless, Binance came in and kicked out all the users that were logging in from a United States IP address. So what does that mean? What does that mean? This is when you think of a system of money, right? How can I describe this? Let's see. Because I tell you all the time that currency is the current of the sea, meaning it's literally water. And guess what? You know what I'm saying? They're going to put this in my book one day. Water, just like money, just like energy, follows the same laws that energy does. What is that? Energy law of conservation of energy, right? Energy cannot create it or destroy it. It merely transforms from one state into another. Well, damn, what do that sound like? Water cannot be created or destroyed. It merely transforms from one state to another, right? And so when you think of money as literally your currency, your energy, right? And then we transform that to the current of the sea. So now we get water, right? It becomes real simple when you say, oh, damn, one of the biggest rivers in the world has dried up inside of 14 days. What does that mean? What does that mean when one of these rivers flowing down this mountain just disappear? Does that mean that water coming off that mountain will never reach the ocean? No! It means that water will create a new river to get into the ocean. You see what I'm saying? And this is the damn debacle of the millennium. They got a lot of people thinking that just because a river dried up somewhere, you know, when I was little, we used to have Tinker's Creek, Cleveland, Ohio. And I remember one year Tinker's Creek was so low, it didn't even look like it was running no more, right? But then 2 years later, it flooded, and the whole damn thing was a catch basin for the whole watershed again. Anyways, if a river dries up somewhere, well then guess what? Due to the conservation of water, it has to reappear somewhere else inside that closed circuit system. If an iceberg melts in Iceland, that water does not leave the earth and go into Mars and fly around on a little hovercraft drone somewhere. It's not doing that. You know what I'm saying? It's trapped here on Earth. All of the water we had on Earth 1 million years ago is exactly equal to the amount of water we have today. In engineering, we call that a what? A steady state system, right? Now this is for, this is getting above the head of most pay grades, tuned into this channel. But lucky for you, your boy got a bachelor's in civil engineering. Shout out to my University of Wisconsin Badgers. I still bleed red and white. That's right. You know what I'm saying? And this was actually batch reactors, right? This was like 2 years of engineering right here, where they had you doing these big, huge problems. Water flow in, water flow out. How long do it take to go empty? But one of the assumptions you always recognized was that not inflow, but the flux inside the batch reactor is zero. It is at a steady state, meaning no more water can accumulate inside the system than the inflow and the outflow, right? Water can only move down the mountain, Once it reaches the mountain, it goes into the river, it goes into the ocean. Guess what? It dries up, goes into the air. Guess what? It goes back on top of the mountain. It's a steady state. No new water is coming in from Mars, coming in from outer space, coming up from the bottom of the ocean, from Atlantis. That ain't happening, right? So I say all that to say this. This water needs to go somewhere, right? It's not just go disappear and, disintegrate forever, and cause a global catastrophe. We done lost the iceberg off the shores of Iceland. Now we need to change the laws for every single American living in the world. No, that's not gonna happen. That in itself creates an opportunity for those with eyes to see and ears to hear, and you can actually see the signs and read the words printed on the wall all the way around you. When one door closes, another window opens. You understand? And I do believe at this point in time, 10 minutes into this video, this is what you got. I think, I'm just one guy. You know what I'm saying? I think this chart can receive a significant amount of that money. This is CRO, crypto.com. You might have heard it on this channel before. If you just look at the past week, you know. Actually, no, let's go back. Let's do apples for apples. This thing was published right around Thanksgiving. Notice they published it on Thanksgiving. They said, you trying to eat some turkey? Well, listen here, turkey. You got 2 weeks. Get that money off of that exchange. You know what I'm saying? So let's just call it December 15th to say even money that Binance kicked the US users out, right? Even money on December 15th, which is still look like it was in a downtrend, took another stage down, and that's when it actually started. After this one, that's when it started to sputter up, you see? So this was just choo-choo, choo-choo, choo. And now, and this is what I like doing on, let me see, can we get it on this one? And so one of the things I would tell people back in the day when I was first learning a lot of this stuff, I would say on this chart, and it's crazy because it scales so much, which means it's like a quantum move. On this chart, you can do what's called the white ball test. And I literally just made it up that day. I said, when you're trying to look for a reversal, for a big momentum shift in the market, I say just draw a white ball on the chart and literally just move it down to 231 and imagine it needing to come to a place and stop, right? So you can imagine if this was a ball, it'd be like, boom, go over this little hump like skee ball and then, and guess what? More than likely after this little one up, one, bam, boom, it'll come back right down there and sit down. More than likely that's gonna be your macro reversal in the market. After that, you can start to make a lot of money. Just looking at this chart in itself, there's a couple price points baked into this thing. Boom, boom. Right? If we wanted to step backwards and go through time, that would be our Fibonacci scale right there. You know what I'm saying? That's called freestyling on the Fibonacci for everybody that don't know. You know what I'm saying? You fucking with a boss. You know what I'm saying? I do this for real. I teach people how to make money all over the world for real. I have a master's in business from one of the greatest universities in this world for real. And now I come on, you know what I'm saying, on my leisure. Because like I said, your boy been in the game for 2-3 years now, you know what I'm saying? You know, and I try to help people make money. This is how you freestyle on a Fibonacci, right? You take this as your starting point, this as your finishing point, bang, bang. We have consolidation right now in between the 2-2 and the 2-6. Come on, where my damn square at? Right? And we broke all the way out. Look at that. Almost like you can't make that up, my people. I'm doing this live on the air. I just said it's a freestyle, one take Drake, baby. It capped out at the 4-6, came back. Now it's flatlining between the 2-2 and the 2-6. Guess what? That is a buy signal. I tell the people in my trading group, that's called a staircase pattern, where you go up, sit flat. Go up, sit flat, right? And even if you wanted to get all the way into it, 3 parts to any given cycle: breakout, breakdown, flatline, breakout, breakdown, flatline. What comes next? You know what I'm saying? It's not hard. It's not rocket science, right? And I really did like that Fibonacci too. That thing was clean, boy. That thing is clean. Look at that. Look at that. Right? And so, presumably, as long as crypto.com is north of what? Let's say a lower low right here. As long as crypto.com is north of that point, then this thing can be off to the races, and that's 300 Satoshis. This thing can be off to the races and be one of the hottest coins in the market for, Q1, Q2, 2021. It's already confirmed, that this is the cycle that we're on. And this is an inverted. Notice I had to go backwards on this Fibonacci. I had to go backwards to make this cycle happen. That means that the energy now is basically absorbing all that negative energy so that it can create a new cycle of growth that moves forward, right? Man, oh man, I wish I could tell you all this knowledge right now. It will get out one day. But that in itself is a very, 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 very important figure. And if you want to see how I used this figure in real-time trading, I don't even talk about this stuff. But I just feel like I got to start. You know what I'm saying? I got to start letting people know, man. Bitcoin, $50,000. Let me see. I want Secret of the Pyramids, I think. Oh, this tie into the video I just did 2 days ago with Secrets of the... I need BK though. Give me my videos. Secret of the Pyramids, where I predicted Monocoin. Come on. Of course. Monaco. There it goes. Look at that. Crypto Secrets of the Pyramids. Yeah, boy. You know what I'm saying? In this video, it took about 20 minutes, but your boy had recreated, you know what I'm saying, one of the most harmonic patterns in existence, and I didn't even know what I was doing back then. Recreated one of the most harmonic patterns in resistance. Showed you 3 parts any cycle. Breakout, breakdown, flatline. Breakout, breakdown, flatline. And this is early. This is 2018, y'all. This is 2018. And even use a few triangles up in there and show Monocoin breaking out, And it sure enough did. Like, Monocoin went up like 500% within, I think, a day or two after me putting out this video. And it was amazing. And essentially, you have almost the exact same setup. I've evolved my theology, a few years down the road. I think every 7 years, you have to almost become a new person. It's like you got to shed your old skin, And so while my theology has evolved, I believe this was the cornerstone that laid a lot of the foundation, a lot of the fundamental, rudimentary understanding that is built into this efficacy right now, right? And it's like you can't make this stuff up, man. You can't do that. You can't do that and have it not be correlated. You see, like, it's just inverted Fibonacci. Boom, boom, gives you everything you need to know inside that chart. Our stop loss is 300 minus 7%, which would be what? Probably about 292. And you ride this thing to the moon, right? Crypto.com is the real deal. A lot of people, I don't know what happened. I have no idea what happened. I cannot speculate, as to what happened up here, because it was doing lovely. It was making a lot of people a lot of money. And then the brakes fell off. The bottom fell off, But now, nonetheless, here we are on the other side. Sitting, down 80, 90%, to year to date. And you got a little ray of sunshine. But I tell you what, in a world full of darkness, sometimes just one light is all you need. And this chart may very well be one of the saving graces of the market. Let's check out Coinmarketcap. Crypto.com is the number 18 coin in the world right now. So this ain't no, bottom of page 10, backfold on back page. I tell you, that's where you go. You go click that, keep scrolling down long enough. You know what I'm saying? That's where you go to get herpes. You don't even want to mess with nothing down there. Just stick to the top. You know what I'm saying? Money flows from the top down. When in doubt, remember that waterfall. Remember that mountain. And just know that the top of the market, when these coins make money, they make money hand over fist. Crypto.com has like $500 million in liquidity. This one last 24 hours, $300 million. Last 24 hours moving through their platform, through their utility token, driving up the price of their utility token. And I think they just had one of the biggest burns of all time. CRO burn token. Yeah, they burned 70 billion CRO tokens, you know? And so the ones that still exist are essentially more valuable, right? And so by using Fibonacci, by using a little bit of inverted association, it's very easy to see that this could be one of the top coins in the market. In addition to that, I don't talk too often about the technical capabilities of their platform, of their program. But recently, I actually lost my debit card. I don't even know where it's at. Spent like a week trying to find it. And it's really cool. It's like simple automated process. Contact me support. I need a new card. And within a few hours, this young lady had came on, Miss Deborah. She said it was verification. I had to write down on a piece of paper, crypto.com, send in a picture. And I think they needed my driver's license or something like that, or passport. And it was a $50 reissue fee. Now, keep in mind, the card is like this beautiful, heavy, I show people. It's like you drop it, bam! It sounds like money on that card. So it is a $50 reprocessing fee, but it literally took, just a few minutes of engagement with that young lady, and now it's on the way. So what I'm asking you guys is, I'm here in Las Vegas, Nevada, right? What should I do? How should I spend some of that money on my Crypto.com card? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see me do in Vegas. You know what I'm saying? Paid for with the money on my Crypto.com card, and that's what I'm going to do, right? The most populated, and then I'll probably throw a poll out in the #1 Bitcoin group. Oh, we need to give away some free Bitcoin. That's my bad. I'm tripping, y'all. We ain't even do the contest today. I gave out a winner. I ain't give y'all a chance to win no money. All right, so let's do this. Share this post to win free Bitcoin. Bam! Right? And so this is today's thumbnail. That is today's contest. A winner will be chosen in the next video. Just go ahead and share this post whenever you guys see this video. Again, #1 Bitcoin group in the world, #1. There will be a link in the description. Let me know in the comments what you want to see me do. You know what I'm saying? Should I take a helicopter ride? Should I jump out of a plane? Should I... You know what I'm saying? Bet it all on black at the Bellagio. What should I do? Let me know. And oh, by the way, as I mentioned, I'm fairly acclimated in the process of helping people make money on the blockchain. And we have 2 products available for you. BossofBitcoin.com if you want to jump in our VIP trading communities. The first is the profit package. Top 7 coins to swing trade every 7 days. And the other one is the Boss Alert messages. This one is a much more interactive group, I think, for more detailed and skilled traders. I do detailed videos on stop losses, portfolio management. You basically have an open line of communication directly with me. Whatever questions you have in the market, if you should sell this coin, buy this coin, I literally go through the gamut. Whatever I can do to help you guys make money, that's what I do in that group. And I run a Black Friday sale all the way through next Black Friday. God damn it. I'm saying $3.99 for 3 months. It used to be like $300 a month. And then I realized, like, with the price of Bitcoin getting higher, more people are coming in. I probably need a lower price point to, just help people. Right? For me, it's really not about making money. I can make money very well on my own without the use of this microphone. For me, it's about teaching information that I've acquired through a plethora of sources and teaching that to the world. And, I think that is my mission here on this earth. That's what I look forward to being able to do with the next, the next many years of my life. And we go see how many people we could help out. This is the website, bossofbitcoin.com. I did tell you that I help people make money. You don't believe me? This is the proof. This was a screenshot from the profit package I sent out January 8th, 2021. I said Ethereum and Bitcoin are the number 2 coins in the market. Buy some Bitcoin, buy some Ethereum. Right? January 8th, ETH, USDT. Right? January 8th. Where are we at? Right now. That thing took off, didn't it? And the Bitcoin chart looks even better than that because I think Bitcoin went down. So yeah, you was looking at 62% on dollars. And then when you look at the ETH BTC, because actually Bitcoin was our value. And so they would have been trading it versus Bitcoin. This is the chart right here. Right there, look. I told them to buy it on that low point. You see that all the way down there? Boom, boom. That was damn near the lowest wick of that candle, right? And a lot of my people got out very near the top using the boss method. You would have made either 25%, 40%, or 46%. You know what I'm saying? Trading like a boss. Very, very, very easy to do. You know, I am merely a guiding light. You know what I'm saying? Toward a brighter tomorrow, right? So there you go, everybody. That's all I got for you. If you want to make some money with the boy BK, man, this is what I do. BossOfBitcoin.com. Sign up for one of the VIP trading groups. Don't forget to share this post. You know what I'm saying? If you're trying to jump up on some free BTC, and make sure you like and share this video, right? Copy and paste the URL. Text somebody you care about. Tell them, hey, I found this dude on YouTube. Said he can help people make money, right? He said buy CRO right now is like 16 cents. You know what I'm saying? And he got about 25,000 subscribers, about 25,000 people in the community on Facebook. And he has a whole army of people he has not met that he has made their lives better for, they may improve their lives and a detracting from it. And I think in this world, that's all you can ever ask for. Did you leave this place better than the way you found it? I think the more we understand the simple principles of energy, of money, of coexistence, like these are laws. A law cannot be broken in the world of physics. You know what I'm saying? You could break a law with the municipal police, right? But these laws stand. These are the building blocks of the existence of reality of this universe, right? Conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It only flows from one form to another. Well, damn, that sounds like the conservation of water, right? But see, they don't talk about it like that. They said, "Oh, water conservation. Yeah, that means we can't let the water disappear from the earth and the rivers dry up and the polar bears don't have anywhere to swim anymore." No, right? It's literally the exact same thing. Water cannot be created or destroyed. It only transforms from one state to another. Water is money. Money is currency, which goes back to the current of the sea. The more you understand water, the more you understand money. All right? That's all I got for you. Problem becomes opportunity. When one door is closed, another window open. And luck is where hard work meets opportunity. But if you've been working hard enough, then please believe you will get lucky and opportunity will present itself at the ideal time. The universe does not make mistakes. It's never on schedule, but it's always on time. With that being said, everybody, it's that time of the day signing out. Boss. Boy BK, if you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. Show me some love in the comments. I'm going to reply to every single one I get on this video. You know what I'm saying? I think we did a good job. I think we got the message out to the good people. That being said, it's that time of the day. Signing out. Boss. Boy BK, no matter where you stay, Brazil to Bay, California, all the way back out through Germany. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. You know what I'm saying? They said scared money don't make none. Put something down on crypto.com then. You know what I'm saying? Buy it at 330, sell it above 450 like a boss. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again. Stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.
Like a boss.
Huh. Arms. Huh.